very interesting studying here and working here hand by hand with the chef.
Le chef, c'est le plus haut niveau que j'ai rencontré.
He's so friendly and so nice and give the information so good. It was an amazing experience. We really enjoy.
Bon, on a devant nous encore des choses à voir, mais jusqu'à maintenant, le Taste of Paris, c'était super. C'est même au-dessus de ce qu'on espérait, quoi. Vraiment au-dessus.
The place is, first of all, it's beautiful. It's well maintained. Everything is in place. Everything is in order. I saw some new stuff, some vegetables that I never knew. That's why I came here. That was the reason, that was the main purpose, and it's a blessing. Can contribute a lot to the students, and a lot of things here are new.